Alright, quick tour. If you need warehouse space in North Smithfield, this is Unit 3 at 1 Tupperware Drive. About a 2,000 square foot, and it's a real practical setup. You're in a commercial condo complex here, so it feels professional and well kept. Easy in, easy out. And you've got quick access to main routes, which matters if you're getting deliveries or moving inventory. This is the kind of space that works for a lot of different businesses. Storage, light industrial, distribution, contractor style operation, or an owner-user who wants a clean warehouse bay with flexibility. The layout's straightforward. Open warehouse area, room for equipment and shelving, and the flow makes sense. You can set up workstations, keep inventory organized, and still have room to move around without it feeling tight. What I like about this one is it's not complicated. It's a usable space in a good setting, and it gives you options. Whether you want to run your operations here or you're buying it for long-term business use, it checks a lot of boxes. Want pricing details or you want to take a look at it in person? Reach out. I'll give you the info and set up a private showing.